welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I just got a Stitch Fix shipment in and I thought I would do a video on Stitch Fix because I'm sure there are people out there that have definitely heard about Stitch Fix and are interested but are unsure since there is a monetary requirement, I guess. You have a $20 styling fee. I'm sure some people are wondering if it's even worth it, what the clothes look like that you get, if it's like how they advertise it, or if it's better quality, lesser quality. I'm gonna be showing you that. Last year, maybe, ow, what the hell? Got a splinter off the box, gosh. Okay, so I've actually gotten Stitch Fix a couple of times now. About a year ago, maybe more, I tried out Stitch Fix because my friend had one of those codes where you get a certain amount of money to try it out. I've seen some codes for $25, $50, $100, a variety. So I decided to try it out and I really loved the first box I got. Like, I wanted to keep everything. I did it because money was not flowing as heavily as I would have preferred to afford those products. However, I did try it again, and I don't know if I've tried 2 more boxes or just 1 more box, and I was a lot more disappointed in those, so that's why I ended up canceling. But I thought I would give it another shot and do it for a video, because at that time I didn't think to do it for a video. So we are gonna open this bad boy up, maybe. In each box, it comes with a bag for you to send all of the things you don't want back. It's like your return bag. It also comes with this, which gives you just like an outline of everything you got. They give you a paper which lists the sizing and the prices of each item in your box. And then they also have this little card that will give you like the outfits that you liked, where those, why they chose them. We have, ooh, this, oh, things are falling. So I have a few things I'm gonna try out. You get 5 items in your box. I'm really excited to try these because there are 2 things in here especially that like I'm very excited for. I'm gonna show you everything on camera and then show everything tried on. There's this top, which I'm gonna be honest, feels kind of not my style. I don't wanna hate on it because it's like a very simple top, but I feel like this would be really good if you work in a corporate office and you dress business casual. I do work in an office, but it's like super laid back. There aren't like a ton of high expectations to be wearing business attire like this that much. But we're gonna try it on anyway. That is by Paper Moon. And then I have this adorable romper from Kaylee. We're gonna try that out. I have another romper from Kaylee. These are from the same brand. And this is a slightly different pattern, but still like small white flowers, and it's green. Love that. We have this very simple light tan sweater or cardigan with pockets. It's really soft. This is by Cotton Emporium, and that's like really, really soft. And then we have these tan pants, which also look very businessy. So honestly, not my color. I try to avoid khaki style pants, and these definitely are bordering khaki, like grayish khaki, but we're gonna try them on, so let's do that. Hello, Nova. This is the first top. You can see like my bra strap, so that doesn't help. I mean, it's like a fine top, but it's not really my style, and it feels a little too boxy for me. It's not like oversized and it's not fitted, so I think I'm gonna have to pass on this. It seems more kind of like, I don't want to say an older woman's shirt, but like someone who's more mature and dresses more mature than I do. Not that I dress like immature, but like, I don't know. I feel like I don't often have to like dress up and look nice, like this type of nice, you know? So I could definitely see it being good for someone, absolutely, but just, I think we're gonna send this one back. Okay, so here are the pants with that shirt. I actually like the pants better on. They're super smooth and comfy. I like the tapered ankle. I'm still not a huge fan of the color. I don't often like to wear tan in such large quantities because it looks awfully similar to my pale skin. I feel like it just kind of washes me out. So, but I feel like this could be a really good work outfit and like could pass, and like you could even tuck it in because it does have like the embellishment around here. I feel like if they were a different color I'd be more sold because they do fit really well and like I feel like they're very flattering, but Unfortunately, oh, they don't have butt pockets. I love butt pockets. But unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be taking these ones either. All right, here is the burnt orange romper. I thought I was gonna like it a lot more. It's definitely cute, and I could see other people wearing this, but this length is giving me big gauchos vibe. I don't know if you guys remember gauchos. Back in the day, I wore the heck out of those, but I don't feel fashion forward in this. I don't know how I feel about that length. I don't know if they're supposed to be a lot shorter and I'm just short. They do have pockets. That's super nice. Anything with pockets gets a point in my book. I feel like it's a little too loose up here too. I don't know, you can tighten it. It's cute, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. I like how it looks better on the camera than I do in person, but is it just me? Or does it make my hips, or like this area, kind of look wider? Or is that all in my head? I don't know. We're gonna try on the other romper and see if it's similar. I'm not sure. I can maybe work this. We're gonna see. Okay, this one, it's like the same fit except for the pants are long, and I like this a lot better. I think the length was just like really throwing me off. They are quite long on me, so I'd have to wear like some kind of platform sandals with them. But I'm loving the color on this. I think it looks good. I'm gonna try and tighten the bow and see how I can fix it. Okay, so the bow on the side that they tie it on, it actually doesn't do any kind of tightening. It's just like, there's like only, it starts here and ends here. So you can't really cinch your waist in that much. But what I did is just like pull them both to the side, one around the back to make it cinched, because I feel like this is a really cool breezy romper, but it needs something to cinch in the waist so you don't just completely disappear. So with that, I really am liking this. I noticed you can also adjust the straps. They have those adjustable straps, which is good. I really like that. This seems like it'd be really good if you have a larger chest, because there's tons of room and you can adjust these quite a bit. So I like this brand for sure. It seems very body friendly. I definitely think I have to keep this. This is really cute. And like I could see this, wearing this to like, I don't know, a wedding, but then also like casually. It's quite baggy. So like it is one of those rompers that like definitely looks like a dress somewhat. Like definitely looks like a maxi dress, but is pants. This one also has pockets. Love that. But I think I'm gonna have to keep this. This out of all of them is my favorite. And let's try on the sweater. Okay, so I also really love this sweater. It's slightly oversized. It has these nice large pockets. It's really nice material and soft. I do really like it. It has like a nice flow, but I'm not sure. I have a sweater that looks very similar to this that's more gray toned. I feel like I shouldn't spend money on something I basically already own, but this is cute. If you don't have something like this, I think it would be really nice. Great for the fall coming up. And the sleeves are a little long, but you can roll them up and I think they still look good. I can't get over the romper. It's like growing on me the longer I wear it. And it's super comfy. Like I can do squats in these. I could do some high kicks or whatever that was. Very comfy. I could see myself sleeping in this. I mean, the material is that like really thin, loose type of material that kind of like, you know, kind of spandexy, like how gauchos were. It's got mad gaucho vibes. That is the last item. And let's wrap this up and see what we're gonna keep. Okay, so out of everything, I am gonna keep this green romper. I think I'm gonna pass on everything else. I do like the orange romper, but got some better lighting there. Okay. I do like the orange romper, but if I'm feeling a little uneasy about the length of the pants now, I feel like that's gonna make it to where I never wanna wear it. It'll be one of those things that sits in my closet and I like the idea of it, but I'm always too afraid to wear it, which I'm trying to get away from doing that because I have a lot of things in my closet that I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wear this for this certain scenario, and then that certain scenario comes up and I'm like, no thank you. Definitely keeping this. I kind of want to keep it on. I'm definitely going to be wearing it in the summer and in the fall. It's really breezy, really nice. I love this brand, and I do want to check out this brand now because they seem to make some really comfy and cute clothes. This romper costs $58. So it's definitely not cheap, but I don't think it's outrageous. It's definitely better than some, like, it's around like Zara prices, I feel like. It's definitely better than some of these online companies that want to charge you like $100 for one item. So it is pricey, but I think it's kind of like mid-tier. The shirt is $38, which I think that's about the price of a similar shirt that you would get maybe at like Kohl's or Macy's. The pants were $44, which I think is pretty standard for work type pants. I've definitely found some for cheaper at H&M, but it's hard to find good work pants that aren't semi-expensive. No, I'm sorry, I lied. The pants are $58, which I think is a little pricey. If it was $44, that'd be different, but $58 I think is a little too expensive. The sweater is $44, which I think is also kind of moderate. A lot of sweaters you have to pay a little bit more to get a better quality. Like, you can certainly find cheaper clothes and better clothes out there than if you were to do Stitch Fix. However, Stitch Fix isn't for someone that's like looking to buy Shein type price clothes. Like, I love cheap clothes, don't get me wrong, but this isn't exactly, like, don't go into this thinking you're gonna get like a shirt for $10, because unfortunately with Stitch Fix, since they do work with a lot smaller brands and indie brands, they can't charge as little as something like Romwe can, you know? And they are meant to be nicer items that last you longer. So, I don't know, just keep that in mind if you are thinking about doing Stitch Fix. There are some clothing subscription boxes out there that are more expensive than Stitch Fix. So if you're looking for more expensive clothes, you could do that. But Stitch Fix also asks you in your quiz how much you typically like to spend on clothes, and almost for everything I put as cheap as possible because I have a hard time paying full price. I like to get things cheaper. But if you are someone that likes nicer things and you want like more premium clothes in your Stitch Fix box, you can absolutely set your goals for that, and the stylist will find items that are more expensive and more aligning with how much you like to spend. Here comes Nova. Hi, baby. I believe I should have a $25 off your first box deal or code. If you do want to try this out, everyone basically gets that code, so don't feel like you have to use mine. I do get some kind of rewards if you use it, but honestly, like, if you can find a better one, do that. Whatever saves you money. But to kind of just sum up this video, I think Stitch Fix can be absolutely worth it depending on what you're looking for. They have a lot of great staple pieces for outfits. Like, if you are looking for a bunch of good, simple staples for your wardrobe, like that sweater or the pants, some stuff like that, where it's not like, it's stuff that you can kind of wear over the years and it doesn't go out of fashion. I think it is a very good option for that, to get just some of those simpler items in your closet. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. But there are some drawbacks. They don't have as many options for like trendy clothes. I don't think that's like necessarily a bad thing, because I feel like clothing trends change every other week, and like something that will be popular one week is suddenly out of style the next month, and it's like, it's wise that they don't have like trendier items like that in their box, because like it might be out of style by the time you get your box. So I think a lot of the items are classic. That is about all I have for this video. Let me know if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, or if you tried it out. I'd love to hear other people's opinions to see if they had stuff that they really liked, or if you tried it and you just did not get a thing you liked. I would love to hear about it. If you like these type of videos, I do like beauty, lifestyle, hair videos on YouTube. You can subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Comment down below. Do all the things. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video.